In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads Keyword Planner tool. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Ads. Once you're there, sign into your Google Ads account and give the page a moment to fully load. It's important to wait until the dashboard or overview page is completely ready so everything appears correctly and responds smoothly. After the dashboard loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Tools icon, which looks like a wrench. A drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, find the Planning section and then click on Keyword Planner. Once you do that, wait a few seconds for the Keyword Planner interface to open. When the tool is ready, choose Discover New Keywords. This option is designed to help you find keyword ideas based on terms related to your business, products, or services. Before typing anything, take a quick look at the available options on the page so you understand how the keyword research tool is laid out. Next, click inside the search field provided. Enter a keyword or phrase that is relevant to your business. As you do this, think carefully about the words your customers would actually use when searching for your product or service online. This step matters because strong keyword research starts with real search intent, not just industry terms. If needed, you can add multiple keyword variations to broaden your results and get more useful ideas. Once your terms are entered, click Get Results. Google Ads will then generate keyword suggestions based on what you typed. Give it a moment to finish loading and then begin reviewing the keyword list carefully. As you look through the results, pay close attention to the metrics shown for each keyword. Start with average monthly searches, which can help you understand how often people are searching for that term. Then check the competition level so you can see how competitive a keyword may be in advertising. You should also review the bid estimates, since these can help you plan your budget and understand how much you may need to spend to target certain terms. From there, select the keywords that are the most relevant to your campaign goals. Relevance is usually more important than simply choosing the biggest search volume, so focus on terms that closely match what you offer. After making your selections, save or export your keyword list so you can come back to it later if needed. Finally, apply the selected keywords to your Google Ads campaigns. This helps turn your research into action and gives your campaign a stronger foundation from the start. Thanks for watching.